How to add a downloadable file to Wix. If you want to add a downloadable file to Wix, right, which could be PDF file, document, or whatever, first we will go to this add elements option. From add elements we can go to text, or we can just go to something like menu and anchor or interactive, or we will go to button. So button is the best to add a download link. So over here we can just put a text icon buttons or themed buttons, and I will just select a random button right here to add it. Right now we can even go ahead and increase the size, and we can just rename this to the button option to basically what we want. Let's say download, right? So we'll just rename this to download. Now what we will do is when people click on this, we want them to download a certain file, right? For that, when you tap on it, just tap on this link icon right here, and once done, here you can see pages or whatever, select document, then select choose file, and just choose the file that you want people to download whenever they click on this button right here. So you can choose a file right here, or you can click on upload media button, upload from computer, and select a certain file that you want people to download whenever they're clicking on that link. And once the upload process is complete, you can just select this right here, and once you've done that, you'll be able to click on the add to page button right there, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then add a downloadable button on Wix. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.